What is deforestation? Deforestation refers to the cutting, clearing, and removal of rainforest or related ecosystems into less biodiverse ecosystems such as pasture, cropland, or plantations. So what causes deforestation? Deforestation can be caused by logging, mining, sometimes oil extraction and gas extraction, often cattle ranching, as well as agriculture purposes such as for cash crops. So what are some of the environmental impacts of deforestation? It risks extinction, so the loss of biodiversity of microbes, plants, insects, and animals, as well as it can cause habitat fragmentation. This disturbs the animal's habitat and may force them to enter habitats which are already occupied, and this can pose many problems such as territorial conflicts, homelessness, lack of food availability, as well as migration disturbances. Soil erosion also occurs when trees and plants are removed. The rainwater washes the nutrients in the top soil away as well. Desertification can happen, and also edge effects can change microclimates, which affect endemic species. Climate change can also occur. If more carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, this can increase the effects of global warming if we have not enough trees to balance out the production of carbon dioxide. So what are some of the social consequences? It can cause a loss of culture. For example, people who live in a rainforest may depend on the natural environment for food, shelter, materials for cooking, as well as clothing. If the forest is cut down or if their environment becomes polluted from oil extraction and mining, they may also be forced to move or risk starvation and sickness. Also the displacement of people, so the loss of their farmland, their forest resources, etc. It can cause economic uncertainty due to the price fluctuations from materials they may have gained from their ecosystem. Social conflicts also exist and struggles over land and natural resources, including conflicts over racial and ethnic rights. So what can we do to stop or prevent the amount of deforestation, and what can we promote to our colleagues, family, and friends as to how they can all help promote and prevent less deforestation? First of all, we can recycle. We can recycle paper, cans, glass, plastic, as well as always using both sides of paper when writing, drawing, printing, photocopying, and faxing. Furthermore, we can read a newspaper online instead of paper copies. Promote people to use pencils until they're down to stubs. Also, it's good to encourage your parents, relatives, and friends to buy furniture and wood that is certified. This means that the wood was legally cut down. As well, instead of eating meat, think of other sources of protein such as fish, soy, beans, whole wheat, and nuts, since trees get cut down for cattle to graze. As well, encourage your parents, relatives, and friends to drive fuel-efficient cars that could get good gas mileage. This helps to reduce the amount of oil minings. Also, instead of buying gold or diamonds, which are mined, they can cause environmental damage due to the deforestation required to reach the mines. We can consider jewelry that is made from materials that are not mined, such as glass.